So this is the Tongas Grill Scraper, designed specifically for George Foreman indoor grills and other grills with grooves. Now, I don't actually have a George Foreman grill anymore, but I do have a Breville grill with similarly grooved grill plates, which is why I bought this scraper. It's made from heat-resistant nylon rated up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The entire thing measures about 7 inches long, 2 inches wide, half an inch thick, and it weighs only 1.4 ounces. Very lightweight in the hand. The cleaning concavities measure just under half an inch, and they are spaced at approximately 7/8 of an inch apart, which lines up exactly with the grooves on a George Foreman grill plate. This lets you scrape the sides of each groove to really get in there and clean it properly, something I had a lot of trouble doing without this tool. You can see it's getting into those grooves and scraping the stuck particles out. Nothing really sticks to this scraper afterwards, so you can easily wash it off for cleanup. So that's the Tongas Grill Scraper. Overall, it does exactly what it promises. Gets into those stubborn grill grooves without damaging your nonstick surface, and it's held up through repeated use. Link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more reviews, and have a wonderful day.